What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to create alias in Proton Mail. So currently we're in our inbox for Proton Mail. This is what you'll need to do, and we're going to go over to the right side panel where we have some icons right there. So you can see the one that looks like a shield, and this stands for the Security Center. Click on it, and here you can see protect your online identity, create an alias. So you're going to click on create an alias. So here you can see create alias, and when asked for your email address, give this alias instead. So this is the alias you will be giving instead of this one, which is the original email address for this Proton account. Now I'm going to give it a title. I'm going to say neon1, and as you can see, neon1.vaporizer241@passinbox.com. So this is still provided by Proton Mail, but this is actually where it will be forwarding to. So you can click on create and copy alias, and you can see alias saved and copied. Of course, we have our email address. We were supposed to say neon1, we said no and one, but it's fine because we now have our alias, right? So you can click and copy, open a new tab, paste it right there, and you can see that this is what you can use elsewhere as your email address, and it will forward all the mails over here, but protect your original email address. So say you want to get your Proton Mail later, you can go over to the shield icon once again, and you'll see your alias right there. So this is how to create an alias in Proton Mail.